So I'm doing a plumbing rough-in in the basement, and this should be the toilet. I'm gonna show you guys how to install the flange. The flange will go down and flush to the floor. Yeah, so we're gonna have to cut this lower, and then we don't want to cheat. We don't want to put a pipe, a flange that goes inside the pipe. You want the flange to go over the pipe, so it won't reduce the size of the drain. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to chip a little bit around the side and then cut inside it using an internal tool. I'll show you later what it looks like. So yeah, so we just chip around it. All right, we have at least an inch off the floor down, and that would be enough for this hub to go down. Also, before I broke the floor, I had to cut the pipe shorter so it's not out of the way. And make sure you always put something inside just to block, things that would fall down there. And I'd recommend putting more, actually, like a bigger garbage bags inside further down. Once you start cutting this pipe, depends on what tool you're gonna use. I'm using the internal one, and I would cut it from the inside. Sometimes the tool fall, so if you have a plastic bag that it's big enough to catch it, and yeah, it's a lifesaver. So this is the tool, and then I'm gonna put it in my Milwaukee drill. It's made by Reed, and that's how it looks like. I'll show you once I'm done. That's the tool, and it's a pipe that's cut. It's so good. Now it's below the floor, and this should fit this right down there. Easy, no problem, and flush to the floor. So that's it, guys. Make sure you glue it, push it all the way down, and make sure you have the bolts lined straight, facing you through the wall. Okay, cheers. So, guys, let me do the same thing for this one. I'm gonna show you how I installed the baby blue, or the shower drain, and then I'm gonna have to waterproof this shower with the membrane. So before all that, we're gonna have to chip around this again, same as the toilet, and cut it lower with the internal tool cutter. See this one? And yeah, we're gonna put the shower drain and the membrane to waterproof it. Here we go. Chip around the floor, cut the pipe lower with the internal tool, glue it down, make sure it's level. About to put the liner now, and I'll show you that once I'm done. So here's the shower liner. Make sure you overlap on every corner, on every sides. So it depends how high this curve is. You can go a little bit higher over there, or same height. I normally go about a foot. Cut it, and start screwing it. Make it look like cleaner, and I'm gonna tuck everything in, cut corners, and I'll show you after. So let me show you how I did the corners. So you don't want to be, as I said, cut, but you want to fold them. So you want to have straight lines and fold it inside. See? If you know how to wrap a gift, yeah, if you know how to wrap a gift, you know how to do this in the corner. Then make sure you screw on the top, then keep going. Head straight. Okay. So this is how it looks like all around. So make sure you guys cut across Yeah, and then just get rid of the circle part, and then poke the holes for the screws. Then you can put your drain. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. That's for the rough end, and the rest would be in the finishing.